So do you also regularly receive user queries on WhatsApp, and do you also want to reply them even while you are sleeping? Then this video can be really helpful for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to understand how to use an AI assistant for personalized marketing automation. So like you, I'm also running a business and I regularly receive user queries on WhatsApp, but this is such a time consuming and a tedious task to reply to all of those WhatsApp messages over and over again. So to solve this problem, I've simply created an AI agent, and now whenever my user is going to send me a message, an automatic reply will be sent towards my user using this AI agent. So if you also want to see the proper working of this AI agent, and if you also want to create this amazing AI agent for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So let's begin and create this AI assistant for marketing. But before we move on further, I'll just show you the proper working of this assistant. So let's say I'm just going to type hey over here. And once I'm just going to type hey, it is going to reply me. It is saying, hi there, how can I help you today? If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to ask. So I'm just going to ask my question, which is, I just opened a small clothing store, and do you guys handle social media ads? And it is replying me, absolutely. Growth Wave Marketing Agency handles social media ad for businesses of all sizes. Alright, so let's move further and ask them the rest of the details. I am going to ask them this. Okay, how much it all is going to cost me? I'm going to ask the cost for the same. Alright, so yes, you can see that now my AI agent is going to reply. So we are going to wait for the reply first, and within seconds and real time, AI agent has replied and shared me the pricing detail. Let me ask in another question, which is cool. So what's next step if I want to start? Here's what next steps look like, and it has successfully given me these steps. So yes, you must be wondering how this AI assistant knows so much about the business, because I have created a knowledge base and I have attached this knowledge base in this AI assistant, and using this knowledge base only my AI assistant is replying me. Be it the pricing models, you're going to see that these are the exactly same price which the AI assistant shared. Or else I'm just going to simply show you the onboarding process too. You're going to see that these are the 5 steps which my AI assistant shared. So yes, this is no magic. This is the power of AI assistant which we are going to create in today's video. And if you also want to create this amazing AI assistant for your own business, then for that you have to watch this tutorial till the end. So to do this, I am going to open a new tab and search for the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow by typing pabbly.com/chatflow in my browser. And now it is going to open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, using which we're going to create this connection, or you can see using which we're going to create this AI assistant. But before we move on further and create this AI assistant, I'll just show you something really helpful. This is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. Pabbly community is a space where users share their ideas, workflow tips, doubts and solutions. So if you're stuck at any step, the community is a great resource for guidance, because we have experts in this who are ready always to solve your problems. So if you also want to join this amazing community, the link is given in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. Let's go back towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow and create this AI assistant. For that, I am going to get 2 options over here. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can simply click on sign up for free and you're going to get 100 free credits to explore Pabbly Chatflow. But I am an existing user, so I am going to click on this button which says sign in. And once we click on this sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps, and over you're going to see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow because I want to automate marketing, sales and customer support over WhatsApp. So let's click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Chatflow account. account. And once I am going to click on this access now, it is going to open the dashboard of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And over here, we first have to add a WhatsApp number before starting with this AI assistant creation. And how are we going to add this WhatsApp number? For that, we have to go towards this add WhatsApp number button. And we are getting two options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So you can use either one of this method in order to add your WhatsApp number. You don't have to worry. A video tutorial dedicated towards both of these methods have been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. As you can see that I have already added my WhatsApp number. So I am going to move in further and create an AI assistant. For that, I am going to go towards this left hand of the side of Pabbly Chatflow, and you are going to see all the features offered by Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to learn about any of this feature in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards each of this feature has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. But today this video is only going to focus on how to create an AI assistant. So let's move and click on this AI assistant feature of Pabbly and create an AI assistant. Now after coming over here, you're going to see the total AI assistant, the active AI assistant and the inactive AI assistant. We have to create an AI assistant from scratch, so we simply have to click on this button which says add AI assistant. Now it is asking me for the assistant name, so I'm just going to name it as AI assistant for marketing and click on this button which says add AI assistant. And now it has successfully added this AI assistant and open a window something like this. And when we open this window, the first thing it is asking me for is the instructions type. So over here you have to select the instruction type for custom prompt or pre-built example. So if you wish to give a custom prompt, you can select the custom prompt right over here as the instruction type, and you can simply enter the prompt in this instructions section. But as you can see that we have kept some pre-built examples like AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent and much more. So if you wish, you can definitely select one from this also. I am going to select it as AI agent today. So I have selected this instruction type and automatically these instructions have been updated. So now if I wish to add or delete some instructions, I can do from this instruction section over here. But I am just going to keep it as same only and move on further. If you wish, you can definitely edit these instructions. It is asking me for the temperature. So over here you have to set how creative the AI answers are going to be. If you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So this depends on you how you want to set this temperature. I am going to set it as 0.3 today because I want more focused answers. You can select any another of your choice according to your own needs. Now it is asking me for the API key and how we're going to get this API key. For that, we simply have to follow the help text, and it is saying kindly visit your OpenAI API key page to get the API key. So let's go towards our OpenAI API key page. Over here I am going to click on this hyperlink and it is opening my OpenAI API key page. Now we have to click on this create secret key button. We have to enter the key name and select the project and click on this create secret key. And now my key has been created. So let's copy this key, click on this done and paste this key right over here in this API key section and click on this connect. And once we click on this connect, it is saying OpenAI key saved successfully. So let's move on further. It is saying AI assistant settings. So over here we have multiple settings, header message, footer message. What you can do is you can simply add a header and a footer message by simply typing it right over here. I don't wish to add these messages, so I'm just going to simply switch it off and move on further. The next which we have is the stop keywords. So over here you have to enter the keywords that the user can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords over here. So let's say that your AI assistant is replying to some user and a user wants a human review for that chat. So what your user can do is user can simply type human word and you can add this human word as the stop keyword. And how are you going to add the keyword? You simply have to type the keyword and then press enter. And once this stop keyword starts running, automatically the AI assistant is going to stop and the chat of that user will be moved towards the intervene section. Further, you have to give a manual review to that chat, then only you can open that chat again or assign an AI assistant to that chat. So if you wish, you can definitely add a stop keyword. This is not not required, I am just going to switch it off and move on further. Now the next is this retry attempts. So over here you have to specify the number of retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. The valid range is between 1 to 10. It depends upon you how many retry attempts you want to give. So next which we have is this fallback message. Over here this is the message to display when the AI assistant API key is not working. So let's say user have some emergency, so you can simply add your support email address in this fallback message. So I am going to add the support email address of my company in this message, so that if the user has some emergency they can contact me on support email address. So yes, you can see that with this we have successfully completed this fallback message, and now with this we have also completed this AI instructions. Now we can move on further towards this knowledge source. So as I have mentioned at the starting of the video that I am using a knowledge source, and using this knowledge source only my AI assistant is replying me. So we have to upload this knowledge source, right? Then only the AI assistant will be able to use your knowledge source. So how you can upload this knowledge source? So what you have to do is, first of all, you have to write down the knowledge which is unique towards your business in a Google Doc. Then you have to go towards this file and download this document in TXT or PDF format. Both of these formats are accepted, which is TXT and PDF. But we prefer TXT formats because PDF has no page limit for text PDF. But if the PDF has images, it is limited to 10 pages. So I'll suggest you download this knowledge base in TXT format. Otherwise, if you wish and if you want, you can definitely upload a PDF too. I have already downloaded this in TXT format, so I am going to upload it by simply clicking on this choose a file, and as you can see that I have successfully uploaded this knowledge source. Now we can move on further towards this AI interface. Now it is asking me for the display heading name, and it is saying enter your brand name over here. Alright, so I am going to enter my brand name, which is Growth Wave Marketing Agency. So let's enter the brand name over here and move on further. You're going to see automatically the brand name has been added over here too. Let's keep it as Growth Wave only. Now the next, it is saying display subheading name. So over here, if you wish, you can definitely edit this subheading like this. I am going to keep it as same and move on further. The next which we have is initial messages. So you can add up to 2 initial message. How you can add this initial message? You can simply type the initial message and press enter, and automatically the initial messages will be added. I am going to keep it as 1 only and move on further. The next is this display by powered by Pabbly label. Alright, if you wish that this powered by Pabbly label should be displayed, keep it as enable. Otherwise, if you wish, you can definitely disable and this will disappear from here. Now I'm going to keep it as enable and move on further. The next which we have is this footer text. So you can use this to add a disclaimer or a link to your privacy policy, and also you can add the link for that text. The next which we have is this user first message. So I am going to keep it as hey, I need help. This is the message will be sent as the initial message from user to WhatsApp. So yes, you can see that with this we have successfully completed this assistant interface. Let's move on further towards this styling. Over here, you're going to see that you can also style your AI assistant, be it changing the theme, or if you wish, you can definitely change the shapes. If you wish, you can definitely change the background colors. You can change the text colors and much more. I am going to keep the theme and the colors like this today and move on further. If you wish, you can definitely change it right from here. You can also upload some images which will be the header profile image or assistant profile image. It depends upon your needs and your choices. Alright, let's move on further. After styling with this, we have successfully completed this AI assistant. Now what we have to do is we simply have to activate this AI assistant. Alright, so I'm just going to activate this and click on this save AI assistant, and now it is ready to run in real time. But we also have to assign this AI assistant to a user, then only it can run in real time, right? And you must be wondering, how are we going to assign it to a user? So you simply have to go towards this inbox section of Pabbly Chatflow and open it in a new tab. And as you can see that this is the inbox section, let's go towards this demo, and I am going to assign this AI assistant to this demo. I have to go towards this choose AI assistant button, and let's say I am going to assign this AI assistant and click on this save. Now whenever this demo is going to message me, automatically this AI assistant is going to reply to this demo. Alright, let's move on further. You must be wondering that it is so tedious to assign AI assistant to each chat one by one. So don't worry, I have a solution for for this too. You can simply assign this AI assistant to multiple contacts at once. What you have to do is you have to go towards this settings and then towards this inbox settings and open it. And once you come over here towards this inbox settings, you have to scroll and you're going to see the option of AI auto reply settings. You have to switch it on over here, and after switching it on, you have to select the list and the AI assistant you want to assign to that contact list. So first you have to create a contact list to which you want to assign the AI assistant. Then you can simply select that contact list and assign the AI assistant to all the contacts at once. For that you have to click on this save, and automatically the AI assistant will be assigned to all the contacts. If you wish to add this AI assistant on your website, you can go towards this embedded. Over here you're going to receive this script using which you can add this AI assistant on your website. Further, this AI assistant is going to run whenever user is going to message. So let's try and check this AI assistant once again. I am going to open my WhatsApp. Let's clear the previous conversation and start fresh. And this time I'm going to ask direct FAQs. First, I am going to type the initial message, which is hey, I need help. And once I am going to send this hey, I need help, my AI assistant will be activated. Yes, you're going to see it is replying me. So let's move on further, open our knowledge base and ask some FAQs. It is saying how long before I see the results. So let's say I'm going to ask the same, how long before I see the results. And once I am going to send this message, an automatic reply will be generated using the knowledge source. Going to see it has generated me the same reply which I have added right over here as the answer. Let's move on further, ask about some another question, which is this. Let's ask about this. I'm going to type, can I pause or scale campaigns? And once I am going to send this message, an automatic reply will be generated. Yes, you can absolutely pause or scale your campaigns. Provide 7-day prior notice. So you're going to see that this is exactly the same information which we have entered right over here as the answer. Let's ask one more question, which is, do you handle small businesses? Let's ask this question. I am going to send this, do you handle small businesses? And once I am going to send this, an automatic reply will be generated. You're going to see yes, they are saying they handle small businesses too. So with this, we have successfully completed this AI assistant for marketing. And if you also want to create this amazing AI assistant, today is a great day because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to this AI assistant or the video, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.